spots in your corners.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an overreaction.
Yeah.
That was bad.
That was.
Instead of turning in.
Oh, go ahead. No worries. There it is. Yeah! Woohoo! Put a little more something on it. Now it was only 2. Should have been 3. Oh! That was nice. Sit down. That's our number 3.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Number 43, Jake Quinn.
See? And it was the same thing. Got ahead of him.
Yeah. Phil was jazzed on that.
Yeah.
I need a little respect.
This is our cleanup stud. There it is.